Welcome to Hero 6, our biggest, strongest and best value-driven roughneck promotion yet. Built on the same winning formula that our customers trust, we're continuing to drive distribution, strengthen our brand presence and help you broaden listings across the roughneck range. This year, the winning formula is back again. No gimmicks, just great products at great prices.
Everything on this promotion is designed to help customers make quick decisions and buy with confidence. First up, the Gorilla Bar, the undisputed king of bars.
Why is it the king? Well, the reason's simple. Every detail is engineered for strength and performance. Its low profile, wide jaw ensures deep access and maximum prying power, while the oval profile provides superior strength and grip. It's drop forged using heat treated steel, which means that the manufacturing process improves the grain of the structure, thereby creating a strong, durable product.
It's designed and engineered for better access, better leverage and better control. This is the bar that sets the standard and customers ask for it by name. And once again, it makes an appearance on the Heroes promotion. It's an absolute no-brainer, a must-have for every trade and therefore every customer and every store.
On to another winner, the Roughneck Gorilla V Series claw hammer.
I love this hammer. It delivers strong, controlled striking with minimal vibration, thanks to the combination of the twin beam shaft and the air cushion grip. It's perfectly balanced, so every blow delivers more impact for less effort.
It's packed with features, a magnetic nail holder for one-handed starts, a mini claw for easily removing embedded tacks and nails, and it's made from a one-piece forged, hardened steel. It's built for hard graft.
We have the most popular size on the promotion with the 20-ounce version. And don't forget, its distinctive design and visual appeal is another selling feature in its own right.
Now, let's move into the heavy-duty digging and groundbreaking tools, built for those tougher, more demanding jobs.
First up, the Roughneck Cutter-Matic. This is the tool you want when you're dealing with compacted soil or root-heavy ground. The horizontal mattock blade slices straight into soft or loosened ground, while the vertical axe powers through roots with real force. And just like all our landscaping essentials, it's fitted with fiberglass handle. Stronger than wood, zero maintenance, and built to take serious punishment day after day.
Alongside it, we've got the Roughneck Pickaxe, designed for maximum penetration in hard, rocky or stubborn ground. The precision pick point focuses impact into the single strike, making light work of breaking through dense soil or stone. And the chisel then gives you even more versatility, ideal for cutting through roots or prying through tough terrain. With the same heavy-duty fiberglass handle, you get strength, shock resistance and long-term durability built in.
These are true workhorse tools, essential for landscaping, ground preparation, trenching and general construction.
Staying with heavy-duty digging tools, let's dive deeper into the landscaping range with more essentials which our customers rely on day in, day out. We've got three absolute winners for you.
We've redesigned our fork, which now features a fully forged head, giving it a single solid steel structure. No weak points, no welds, no bending tines. Just pure strength and built to survive demanding groundwork. And the tines aren't just strong, they're heat treated with a corrosion resistant tumble lacquered finish, built to last in tough soil, clay and compacted ground. And they're tapered for easy soil penetration and efficient lifting. Put simply, this is the strongest, most durable fork we've ever produced. Perfect for breaking up, aerating and turning over soil, and tough enough to survive whatever the job throws at it.
So alongside the fork, we have the digging spade and the square shovel. The digging spade was built for demanding jobs, engineered to conquer the hardest ground with strength and reliability. The square shovel, that's a must-have for scooping, leveling, mixing cement with a broad, deep, square head designed to move more materials with every load.
And as with all roughneck tools, they're covered by our 25-year guarantee. Built to last from heavy-duty carbon steel, paired with fiberglass handles that won't rot, they outperform wood, resist wear and require zero maintenance. They're tools you can depend on day in and day out.
Now on to a relatively new product that has already proven itself to be a real hero, the universal manhole key set. Easy to stock, easy to sell and always needed. A perfect addition to the Heroes lineup, this kit delivers exactly what drain specialists and ground workers need. A simple, universal solution that fits the majority of standard manhole covers found in the UK. It's a higher value add-on product that sells itself with a low MOQ of just 3 pieces and a great price at £36.70.
Next up, another product category that Roughneck is synonymous with, heavy duty wood splitting. And this one is a real powerhouse, the Roughneck splitting maul. This maul harnesses the power of a dual wedge head for faster, more efficient log splitting and far less jamming. Every strike delivers big splitting force with cleaner breaks and less effort.
The head's drop forged and heat treated for exceptional strength and durability. Built to take serious punishment season after season, and the epoxy bonded fiberglass core handle gives maximum resilience. Solid, stable and built to absorb shock.
Now, moving into another area where Roughneck tools really shine, outdoor cleaning, finishing and fixing. And we've got 3 products here that cover a huge range of jobs with real efficiency. Starting with the patio and decking brush set. Lightweight steel for heavyweight scrubbing. You get 2 interchangeable heavy-duty brush heads, perfect for tackling patios, decking and other outdoor surfaces. Stubborn dirt, moss, grime, no problem. And with the built-in pointed scraper, weeds and debris can be cleared from joints and cracks for a truly professional finish.
Then for pointing and grouting and gap filling, we've got the Roughneck mortar and grout gun. This delivers clean, controlled application thanks to its 750ml aluminium barrel, which means that it's strong, corrosion resistant, lightweight for easy use and long-lasting performance. And with its high thrust ratio, it powers out thick mortar and grout with ease. It's absolutely ideal for repointing walls, filling slab joints or grouting tiles.
And to complete the trio, the one-handed speed clamp. Fast and secure clamping with heavy duty strength. A product which always does well on this promotion, supplied in a CDU of 10 pieces. With one-handed operation, you can lock and release instantly to help keep your work running smoothly.
And now for something completely new for Heroes 6, our combination deals. These are bundle deals designed to add extra value to our customers and make selling an even easier for you.
Every deal pairs products that naturally belong together, delivering stronger value for your customers, stronger margins and a great opportunity to add additional lines which might not have been stocked before.
So first up, the Gorilla Club and Bolster deal. These 2 products naturally work hand in hand. The Gorilla Club delivers serious demolition power and the Bolster is the perfect partner for controlled breaking, cutting and shaping. It offers customers great value, 52.5% discount on the club hammer, and the unique Gorilla Bolster with the detachable handle is completely free of charge. So that's 3 club hammers and get the 4-inch bolster free of charge. Great, really tremendous deal.
Next up, a post hole digger and a drainage shovel combination deal. It just makes perfect sense, a natural pairing, again offering exceptional value to retailers. Simply buy 2 post hole diggers and get 1 sharp edge drainage shovel free of charge. The net total is $65.53 per deal. Simple, smart and brilliant value. A great deal allowing retailers to stock up on 2 of our hero products.
And finally, another new deal for Heroes, our brand new landscaping tree. You will have seen the new shovel tree when it made its debut at the Tool Champions this year. But here we have a new profile with landscaping products backed with the Heroes discount, meaning that you can get all of this for £286 £61 net.
It includes a fantastic mix of landscaping and digging essentials, including the full sharp edge range. This magnificent stand is a big visual impact unit designed to stand out and attract attention in store. And we all know that strong, well-presented, high-impact merchandising means higher sales.
Not that I'm biased in any way, but this is a fabulous looking unit and I'm sure you'll be selling plenty of them.
So that's Heroes 6, a focused, value-packed, easy-to-sell promotion with everything our customers need. As always, thank you for all your support. Let's make this the biggest and the best Heroes promotion yet.